Lufthansa? You're talking about Lufthansa, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look. So I want to see the Maibara train station. A lot more rural area in called Maibara. And yeah, I saw the train from earlier we were talking about. And yeah, just a lot of these. But if that thing goes north south today, I'm gonna go. What the heck?
No, why'd you go north? Qatar. Qatar. Ah, dang it.
I have way too much guitar, bro. Are you recording a video?
Feel another bus that sounds like an auto car.
iPod's right behind you. You might have to like, oh damn, we're already three. Sounds like taking over California.
From starlux.
One of their planes was literally called the Ghost, and I was like, what the fuck? The old livery makes it even better.
Yeah.
But there it goes.
It's Frankfurt and a Munich flight.
You ever been outside of this country?
No,
No?
not yet.
Yet?
Yeah, I plan to though.
When?
I
Also where?
have no idea.
I want to go to like Europe again, like in this.